In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page on Wix. First, you'll want to head over to the Wix website, where you can access all the tools and features you need. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. When you're ready, look for the Pages and Menu option, which is typically located on the left side of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is your go-to section for managing and adding new pages to your Wix site. Now, to introduce a new page, you'll want to click on Add Page. This action will bring up a variety of themes and templates that Wix offers. You'll be presented with many different predefined styles, each with its own potential to make your coming soon page unique and eye-catching. However, if none of those themes resonate with your vision, there's also the option to add a blank page. This will give you carte blanche to design the page precisely as you like it, starting from scratch. Once you've got your page, don't forget to give it a proper name. You can simply type in "coming soon" so that both you and your visitors know exactly what this page is meant for. At this stage, it's important to make this new page the home page of your site, at least temporarily, while you prepare your full website. You'll want to set this page as your home page so that it's the first thing visitors see when they arrive at your URL. Keeping this simple and clear will help set expectations and let people know that exciting things are on the horizon. After setting your page as the home page, it's time to add some elements to your creation. Click on Add Elements from the tools available. You have a range of options here to enhance your Coming Soon page with various features. But to start, let's keep things straightforward. Click on Text, as this is where you'll be crafting the message that will greet your visitors. Enter a message like "Coming Soon" or any other welcoming note you wish to share. This is the first piece of communication your visitors will see, so make it engaging yet concise. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget the all-important step of clicking Save. This ensures that all the hard work you've put into creating this Coming Soon page doesn't disappear. With these steps, you've successfully created a Coming Soon page on Wix, alerting your audience to anticipate what's to come. Keep in mind that first impressions last, even with online content, so this page is your chance to stir curiosity and excitement. Enjoy experimenting with the design as you see fit and happy creating.